Hello everyone, welcome to STR Simple Maths. Today we are going to see partial differential equation. So partial differential equation is an equation contains partial derivatives. If the equation containing partial derivatives, then that equation is called partial differential equation. Okay. In the formation of partial differential equation, we take dou z by dou x is equal to p, dou z by dou y is equal to q, dou square z by dou x square equal to r, dou square z by dou y square is equal to t, then dou square z by dou x dou y is equal to s. Okay. So here first type 1. Form the partial differential equation, that is PDE, by eliminating the arbitrary constant from first sum z is equal to x plus a into y plus b. So here what is given, z is equal to x plus a into y plus b. We form the partial differential equation using dou z by dou x equal to p, dou y is equal to dou z by q, then these 5 are we use here. So first what is given, z is equal to x plus a into y plus b. Okay, we take this as equation 1. Then differentiate partially with respect to x. Okay, differentiate the first equation partially with respect to x. Okay, what we get, left hand side dou z by dou x is equal to, here x plus a, differentiation of x plus a is, here a is constant, so y plus b is constant, so we write y plus b into differentiation of x plus a is 1, because a is constant, so here 0 plus 1, that is 1. So dou z by dou x is equal to y plus b into 1. Okay, what is dou z by dou x? Dou z by dou x equal to p, so p is equal to y plus b. The next differentiate first equation partially with respect to y. So that is dou y by dou z by dou y is equal to, there is x plus a is constant, so we write x plus a into y plus b. B is constant, so the differentiation of b is 0. So 1 plus 0, that is x plus a into 1, that is x plus a. So q is equal, what is dou z by dou y? Q. So q is equal to x plus a. So substitute equation 2, and what is equation 2? P is equal to y plus b. So substitute equation 2 and 3 in first equation. What is first equation? First equation is z is equal to x plus a into y plus b. Okay. So what is y plus b? P. Then from equation 3, x plus a is equal to q. Therefore z is equal to, what is he said? Z is equal to p into q. Okay. So z is equal to p into q. Second sum, z is equal to ax plus by plus square root of a square plus b square. So you take this as equation 1, then differentiate partially with respect to x. What we get, dou z by dou x is equal to, here there is no x, therefore if we differentiate this term we get 0. Here also 0, so 0 plus 0. Here a into, what's the differentiation of x? Here we differentiate with respect to x, so a into 1, that is a. Therefore dou z by dou x equal to x. What is dou z by dou x? P. So p is equal to a, that is equation 2. Then again differentiate first equation partially with respect to y. Okay, so what we get, dou z by dou y is equal to, differentiation of ax is 0, here also 0. So b into, what's the differentiation of y with respect to y? That is 1. So b into 1. So dou z by dou y is equal to b. What is dou z by dou y? Q. So q is equal to b. This is equation 3. So substitute equation 2 and 3 in first equation. We get z is equal to px plus qy plus square root of p square plus q square. Okay. And next, third sum, x minus a the whole square plus y minus b the whole square plus z square is equal to a square plus b square. First we expand this x minus a the whole square x square minus 2ax plus a square plus y square minus 2by plus b square plus z square is equal to a square plus b square. Okay. So a square get cancelled. Here also b square and b square get cancelled. What's remaining here? X square minus 2ax plus y square minus 2by plus z square is equal to 0. Okay. Then z square is equal to 2 minus 2ax. So here 2ax plus 2by. Then here x square is plus. Therefore, you have to take minus x square, then minus y square. Anything else here? Nothing. So z square is equal to 2ax plus 2by minus x square minus y square. Okay. We take this as equation 1. Then differentiate this equation partially with respect to x. What we get? 2z into dou z by dou x. Okay. First, differentiate the square, that is 2z. Then the differentiation of z with respect to x. So dou z by dou x. So 2z into dou z by dou x is equal to differentiation of 2ax with respect to x is 2x. Okay. Here no x. So the differentiation of this term is 0. Then next, differentiation of x square minus 2x. Differentiation of y square with respect to x is 0. Okay. Therefore, 2z into dou z by dou x is equal to, we take out 2 into a minus x. Then 2 and 2 it cancel. What we get? Z into what is dou z by dou x? P. So z into p is equal to a minus x. That implies a is equal to, we take this minus x this side. So what we get? X is plus. So x plus z p. Okay. We take this as equation 2. And differentiate partially with respect to y. Differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to y. We get 2z into dou z by dou y is equal to 2b minus 2y. So 2z, that is dou z by dou y q. So 2zq is equal to 2 into b minus y. 2 and 2 it cancel. So zq is equal to b minus y. That implies b is equal to y plus zq. Take this as equation 3. Substitute 2 and 3 in equation 1. We get z square is equal to 2x into x plus zb plus 2y into y plus zb zq minus x square minus y square. Okay. And you multiply this. Then 2 is x square minus x square, 2y square minus y square, 2x zb plus 2y zq. Okay, 2y zq. Okay. Fourth sum, x minus a the whole square plus y minus b the whole square plus z square is equal to 1. So we rewrite this equation as z square is equal to 1 minus x minus a the whole square minus y minus b the whole square. We take this as equation 1 and differentiate this equation partially with respect to x. That is 2z into dou z by dou x is equal to minus 2 into x minus a. Okay. The next 0. So minus 2 into x minus a. 2 and 2 it cancel. We put dou z by dou x is equal to p. So zp is equal to minus of x minus a. Okay. We take this minus x minus a as the side. So x minus a is equal to minus zp. Then again differentiate first equation partially with respect to y. We get 2z into dou z by dou y is equal to minus 2 into y minus b. Here 0. 2 and 2 would cancel. So what is dou z by dou y? That is q. So in the place of dou z by dou y we put q. So zq is equal to minus of y minus b. So y minus b is equal to minus zq. And substitute 2 and 3 in equation 1. What we get? Z square is equal to 1 minus of minus zp the whole square minus of minus zq the whole square. Okay, that is minus zb the whole square. That is 1 minus z square p square minus z square q square. Okay, so it's z square plus z square p square plus z square q square is equal to 1. We take out z square. So z square into 1 plus p square plus q square is equal to 1. Okay. Fifth sum, a into x square plus y square plus bz square is equal to 1. We take this as equation 1, differentiate for this equation partially with respect to x. We get a into, what's the differentiation of x square with respect to x? 2x plus, and the differentiation of y square is 0. Okay. So we don't need to write the 0. B into, the differentiation of z square, 2z into dou z by dou x is equal to 0. And divide by 2 we get ax plus bz into dou z by dou x equal to 0. So ax plus bz into dou z by dou x is p. Okay, so bzp is equal to 0. So ax is equal to minus bzp. Take this as equation 2. Then again differentiate first equation partially with respect to y. What we get? A into 2y plus b into 2z into dou z by dou y is equal to 0. So divide by 2 we get ay plus bz into dou z by dou y is equal to 0. What is dou z by dou y? That is q. Therefore az plus b into bzq is equal to 0. So ay is equal to minus bzq. Take this as equation 3. So what's our question? Eliminating a and b from this equation. Therefore we divide 2 by 3. So ax by ay is equal to minus bzp by minus bzq. So it can cancel, a and a get cancel, minus bz get cancel. What's here? So what we get? X by y is equal to p by q. So we cross multiply this. Xy is equal to py. Sorry, xq is equal to py. So py is equal to qx. Okay. If you like this video, thumbs up and share your friends. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.